Ashwini. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate a random mobile number using a random class. So let's start coding. So first we need to make use of random class. So random class from java.util package. Let's create a reference variable for it. That's random equal to new random. As we need to generate a random mobile number, so mobile number will have a 10 digits, right? So let's first understand how we can generate an integer from a reference variable called random. So this can be any name. So I have given here random. So what I can do, I can say here random dot nextInt. So what this nextInt will do, it will return me an integer value. This is the method here. And let's store this particular value inside a variable called I. And let's try to print this I now. This out I. Let's run this code whether we are getting a random value or not. So see, here we are getting a random integer value. We want an integer value and that should be in the range of 1 to 10, right? To get a random mobile number. So here we can also provide a upper limit. If I provide here 11, so what this will do, it will generate a random numbers starting from 0 till 10. It will not generate 11. It will start from 0 and continue till 10. If I click here, so see we are getting here 4 this time. If I run this code again, now we are getting 8. Again if I run this, we are getting 3. But to have a random mobile number, we need to get the values in the range from 1 to or 0 to 9, right? These are the numbers that are valued to generate a mobile number. What we can do, we can have a for loop here. Let's remove this part. What we can say, we can have a for loop for int I is equal to 0. I should be less than 10 because it is starting from 0 and it will continue till I is equal to 9. So in this way we can generate the 10 random numbers, right? I plus plus, and inside this for loop we need to generate a random number. So how we can generate, we can say a random dot nextInt, and here we can provide the upper limit also, right? So this will generate the random numbers in that range. Here I can provide 10 because I want to generate the numbers from 0 to 9. So this will generate the random number and I want to store this in a variable. So let's declare a variable here. So we can declare a variable of type string builder. So if I say a string builder and let's say this is mobile number is equal to new string builder. Okay, so this is my variable here, and what we will do, we will append the random number to this particular string. So what I can do here, I can say mobile number dot append. So what append will do, it will add this particular random number which is generated into our string, and this will continue till 9 times, right? And after that we can print the mobile number. So let me print here sys out mobile number. Try to run this code now. So see, we are getting a random mobile number here which says 9402639637. So how many digits are there? 10. So we are able to generate a random mobile number, right? So if I run this code again, it will generate a new mobile number. See, we are getting a mobile number different every time. So this is how you can generate a random mobile number. But one thing you need to change here. Here we are saying it is generating a random number in the range of 0 to 9, right? But what if instead of 7 here, it generates 0? So if your first number is generated as 0, then what will happen? The mobile number will be invalid, right? Because it will be 9-digit mobile number only if the first digit generated is 0. So in that case, what you need to do? You need to declare one more variable, and in that variable you can assign the random number starting from 1 to 9. Okay, so how you can do this? So here you need to say int, let's say this is our first digit that we want to initialize here, first digit, and this will be also random dot nextInt. But here what we need to say, we need to provide here upper limit as 9. So what this will do, it will generate the numbers from 0 to 8, right? But even if it generates 0, then we will say here add 1. So that's why we have provided here 9 and not 10, because when you provide here 9, the max number it can generate is 8, right? Because when you provide here 9, it will generate from 0 to 8, right? So when it generate 8, then we will add it to 1. So in this way you have declared your first digit, and this first digit we will append to our mobile number. So once we have a mobile number here, so we will say mobile number dot append, and we will append the first digit, our first digit here. And then instead of going till 10, we just need to iterate till 9, because one digit we have already uh, have in the first digit, right? So one digit we have already covered, so we just need to get another 9 random numbers. So if I run this code now, you see we are able to get the mobile numbers here. So earlier code was also working, just only one case, if the first digit was generated 0, then in that case it will be invalid mobile number. So in this way you can generate the random mobile number. Another thing you can do is, let's say you want to have a country code also to this mobile number. Okay, if you want to have a country code, so you can also declare the country code. Let's say for India the country code is 91, right? So here we can have one more variable int code, or we can have a string here instead of int, string code, and this code will have the value as +91. So this is the code for India, right? And we need to add this also to our mobile number. And then before adding the first digit, we need to add mobile number dot append, and we will say a code. Now let's run this code to check whether we are getting the correct output here. So see, now we are getting here country code also. We can also add space here, so we can differentiate, or we can have one hyphen. Let's run this code. So see, we are able to get the mobile number here. This is a 10-digit mobile number with a country code, and every time this will be a random mobile number getting generated. So this is how you can make use of random class. So that's it in this video.